did it tonight, but you have to...
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing? Ringing the bell.
Hi, Mommy. To our neighbor's house, and can Billy come over?
Well, Billy's at his grandma's house, and Tyler's over there.
Finley.
Oh, Finley. I don't know. You have to go see.
Why would you to come with me? Mommy.
Ring the bell and tell me what you won.
I want this.
What were you doing in your race? What did you want to win?
The Grand Prix.
The Grand Prix?
Do I win with me?
I can win too. What are we winning?
The Grand Prix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Dad
what
can
happens?
win, you can win, and I can win.
What do we do to win it?
Why got this?
We ride the tractors slow,
No, fast.
super fast. The fastest person wins.
Yeah, but I turned my tractor too fast, so I get to win the Grand Prix, right?
Yeah, you do. You also need to fix your flip-flops because they're on the wrong foot.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.